In the latest display of force, Zimbabwe police brutally beat opposition members gathered at the home of Jameson Timber on Child Day, a day meant for celebration and unity, now stained with violence and fear. This isn't just about one violent incident, it's about the erosion of democracy in Zimbabwe. The elections in August 2023, which saw Emmerson Mnangagwa re-elected, were criticized widely. Observers noted they fell short of both national and international standards for fair democratic processes. The pre-election period was no less troubling. Threats, intimidation, and violence were rampant, primarily from supporters of the ruling ZANU-PF party and state security forces. This not only skewed the electoral atmosphere, but also entrenched a culture of impunity. On election night, an alarming escalation occurred. Security forces raided the offices of the Election Resource Center and the Zimbabwe Election Support Network, arresting nearly 40 staff and volunteers. Essential equipment was confiscated, crippling an independent verification of the election results. This raid was defended as a crackdown on what was claimed to be an illegal parallel vote tabulation. But let's think about it. Why would a government confident in its electoral integrity fear independent verification? Zimbabwe is not alone in this struggle. Across East and Southern Africa, governments are tightening their grip. Journalists are intimidated, harassed, and detained. New laws under the guise of national security are being used not just to silence dissent, but to criminalize journalism itself. The message is clear. The space for free expression and media freedom is shrinking rapidly, not just in Zimbabwe, but throughout the region. As human rights advocates, it's crucial to shine a light on these abuses. We cannot stand by as voices calling for change and transparency are stifled. We need to support those on the ground fighting for their right to speak, to assemble, and to participate in the governance of their countries. What happens in Zimbabwe affects us all. It's about more than one nation. It's about the integrity of democracy and human rights globally. Let's keep the conversation going. Share this video, raise awareness, and let the world know that democracy, true democracy, must not be silenced. Thank you for watching.